Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Maiden Day for the HobbyKing MX2 EPP 3D plane. Regarding the build, I don't have a whole lot to say. It's an EPP plane. I used a lot of CA glue. One thing I'll tell you that I didn't like about what they said in the box was they had this crazy idea about heat shrink tubing and using two pieces and making adjustments, and I don't even want to talk about all that. I just put quick connectors on my servo arms and put a Z-bend in the back for the control horn, and that's it. So I didn't even bother with all that stuff. Other than that, the plane went together just the way you'd expect it to go together. So I have virtually nothing to tell you about that, other than if you decide to do one of these, I would recommend getting yourself some quick connectors and avoiding that whole nonsense about using heat shrink tubing to make adjustments. I could barely even understand what they were trying to get me to do. Anyway, I'm getting ready to fly. Let's check the control surfaces and then we'll fly it. I expect the elevator to go up. There it is. I expect the rudder to go right. There it is. I expect the aileron, the right aileron, to go up. It does, and that's high rates. I'm going to take off on low rates until I get used to this plane. Let's go fly it. I'm calling this MX2 the Basher, and the idea is to practice things on this plane that I'm hesitant to do on nicer planes like my XR52 or my Katana or what have you. So this is the Maiden. I'm going to get it up in the air, trim it out around a little bit, and we'll see what happens. So here we go. Maiden flight of the HobbyKing MX2.
Oh, it's cool.
That is not sounding, something's not right. I'm hearing the clunk, 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 and it feels way underpowered. It doesn't have the power. It's kind of weird. That's 300 watts. It's pretty light. It's only, I didn't weigh it, but it's only about 2 pounds. No, I charged it. Something's definitely not right. It's 50 watts. 60, 50, yeah, that's not right. All right, guys, this is round two. It turns out I had a bad ESC. So fortunately, I had the old trusty Millennium Master, and that ESC is really easy to get to. So I just took the ESC out of the Millennium Master and stuck it in there, and I'm good to go. What were we making? We were making what, 60 watts? 60 watts, like 5 amps. Yeah, it was pretty bad. We will try it again. All right, here we go. I don't know what the heck is going on here. Esc wire came off. Apparently when I stuck the battery in, I disconnected. So I think what I need to do is heat shrink those. Yep. There we go. All right, little plane. There we go. One click trim. Man, I love that feature. I'm not gonna get too picky with the trim today because it's a little windy, but there we go. It's good enough. Flip it into high rates. Yep. All right. So this is what I've been wanting to do, is this. It's like the old elevator routine. I really don't want to do that on my good planes. Come on back here, let's get over the runway. No motor. No motor. I did. I don't know what's going on. Well, that was a dead stick landing, so we know it can do that at least. Oh, look at that. Huh? Apparently. See, this is the crap I won't do with a good plane. There you go. I told you I could do it. Let's try, I want to try a knife edge. Oh, how about a knife edge loop? Oh, there went the motor again. Yeah, the motor just, I got to get a different motor. That motor's not going to cut it. Three. It is. There went the motor. That motor's done. That's all right. Well, there you go, guys. This is gonna be fun. I can tell you that right now. I got to get that motor sorted out. I don't know what the deal is with that, but I will get it sorted out, rest assured. But I can tell you right now, man, it's gonna be easy to be a maniac with this plane because it's so light. Oh, there went my prop. Oh well. I think you're right. I think the batteries probably just need a refresh. All right. I'm out of breath chasing this thing around. Oh guys, well that wasn't a traditional Maiden, but hey, one thing you get out of this deal is you get to see the value of the plane, right? It came down 4 times, nothing happened. I mean, even when it came down, all I did was dead stick it and it's on the ground.
4 crashes in 10 minutes.
4 crashes, that's a record, man, and it can still fly except for a prop and a battery. So yeah, I'm gonna upgrade the battery. I'm gonna probably switch the motor to something else, and I'm gonna beat the living daylights out of this plane. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the Maiden flight. If this content's been valuable to you, I would appreciate your subscription. For those of you who already subscribe to the channel, please continue to leave comments, thumbs up, thumbs down, and don't forget to check out my Amazon affiliate links for consumable RC gear, and hit up the t-shirt store if you want an RC video reviews t-shirt. That's all I've got for today. Take it easy.